Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel today. We're diving into something delicious and nutritious. Homemade pomegranate juice, packed with antioxidants and flavor. This juice is an amazing addition to your diet. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need some fresh pomegranates. Aim for 2 to 3 ripe ones for about 2 cups of juice. The deeper the color, the better. Cut your pomegranates in half. Be careful, this can get a little juicy. You might want to wear an apron to avoid any stains. Now, here's a great trick. Take a wooden spoon and tap the skin of the pomegranate halves. The seeds will pop out, and you'll have all the juicy goodness ready to go. Collect the seeds in a bowl. You can also use a strainer to separate any leftover pulp. If you have a juicer, this is the perfect time to use it. Just toss in the seeds and let it work its magic. Look at that beautiful color. Fresh pomegranate juice is not only tasty, but it's also great for your heart, skin, and overall. Serve it over ice for a refreshing drink. You can even garnish it with a sprig of mint for a touch of elegance. And there you have it, fresh, homemade pomegranate juice. So refreshing and full of health benefits. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes and tips. Share this video with your friends and let me know in the comments how you're